Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the most visited pages feature on the home page of your Samsung internet browser. This feature allows you to quickly access your favorite and frequently visited websites right from the home page. Let's dive right in. First, open the Samsung internet browser on your mobile device. Once the browser is open, tap the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner to open the menu. In the menu that appears, tap on Settings icon to open the Settings page. Then you see the Home Page option and select it. Now, in the Home Page settings, you'll see an option called Most Visited Pages. Simply toggle this option to On. Once this is enabled, go back to your home page and you'll see your most visited pages displayed there. This makes it super easy to access your favorite websites with just one tap. And that's it. You've now enabled the Most Visited Pages feature on the Samsung Internet Browser homepage. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.